Well, it is Sunday afternoon and I am in the office. My son does not have any hockey today, so it's a good opportunity to get in the office and get ready for a busy week for our law firm, both in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. With that said, they put out a blog article regarding drones in New Jersey and what you can and cannot do when it comes to a drone. And there's been a lot on social media about shoot them down and people should just shoot them down. I'm just here to say again, do not shoot drones down. And I don't care who tells you. It's not a defense to say that I heard it from my local official or the police officer I live next to said it's okay, and if something happens, he'll take care of me, something like that. That's not a legal defense. And no one likes the drones, and I can understand that. But quite frankly, at this point in time, there isn't a lot that we can do about it. You can go to your local official and they can certainly try to go up higher. But to me, this seems like a military operation of some sort and some type of possible test that's going on. I think that there was a threat with regards to if the federal government didn't know where these drones were coming from or who was sending them, I don't think they would be in the sky. Maybe I'm naive to think that, but I believe that this is some type of military operation or test, and it's just a bad kept secret. And it got out. People noticed them, flying around, and they have questions. And really, they should have questions. But the bottom line remains, legally speaking, you can't shoot them down. It is a federal offense. I'm going to link in the blog article that I wrote regarding them. It's also probably going to be a state, well, it is going to be a state crime, whether or not your local, well, your state chooses to prosecute you, and actually whether or not the federal government chooses to prosecute you is all a question. But the fact remains that if you do something to harm a drone, and I'm speaking like they're somehow alive, but if you try to take a drone down, you're going to possibly and likely face prosecution at the federal and likely the state level. It's going to be a felony level offense. At the federal level, it's going to be a felony level offense, most likely at the state level as well. If you've used a gun or a firearm to shoot it down, like I said, in New Jersey, you're likely going to be charged with the possession of a firearm for unlawful use. If you didn't have a permit to have that weapon, you're also going to be charged with unlawful possession, also criminal mischief, which likely will be graded as an indictable crime in New Jersey because the drone's going to come down probably in some public area, and there's a strong argument that you caused a incident which caused mass confusion or some type of mass hysteria. Likely that's going to happen in other states as well. And I'm obviously only licensed in Pennsylvania and New Jersey, but in Pennsylvania, on that side of the river, you are going to have a similar type of charge when it comes to criminal mischief. Pennsylvania's laws with regards to guns and firearms are a little different, but there is still plenty there that a district attorney's office could charge you with. Unlawful discharge of a firearm comes to mind. Possibly, like in New Jersey, some type of reckless endangerment of another person. These are all available to a local prosecutor's office or a local DA. So, with regards to that, I'm going to link in my blog article that I wrote. I'm also going to link in the weekly update, which ran on Friday, to over 5,000 of our current and former clients in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. Some fantastic articles, including my article that I wrote on drones. I'm also going to put in here the article that I wrote on Jason Kelce's case. I talked about that on Friday during my vlog on Friday. A lot of good things coming up for our law firm toward the end of the year. We're getting ready for 2025. We hope it's going to be another strong year for our law firm. But again, if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, the website, gambonelaw.com. As always, a tremendous resource for you and your family. All of my books, my blogs, my videos. At this point, like I said before, there's probably over 1,000 blogs, hundreds of videos, our books, the blogs. It's all no-cost content because we believe that an educated client is in the best possible position to see if we get a result in their case. Again, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. I think I'm losing my voice between my kids' hockey games and running around outside. But Have a great Sunday, and I'll talk to you all very soon.